I hate the stock market. NKLA drops to 1.15, decides to buy along while it's super cheap. Drops 33 in a week. Decides this stock is gonna crash, sells at 0.88. Wakes up next morning, stock is back at 1.15. I hate the stock market. For the two people who might actually take this seriously. Yes, I know I'm doing something wrong. I'm working on it. Edit, I made this as a meme, but I'll answer this edit seriously. I bought without looking at the news or the financials. Then I did and realized IFD ups, I sold. The stock went up. BC the CEO said some BS about their production being good. But the hype will die and it'll go back down. Ultimately, I think buying was dumb, but getting out was the right option. I'm just bitching because if I had waited till my regular trading time, I could have closed at no loss. Not to be hostile, but regards, like you need to stop buying shit tickers. NKLA is one tier above scammy biotech penny stocks. There are thousands of companies to choose from, including the 500 in the SP 500. Start there. Remember, during the NKLA test drive they had to push it downhill and use the momentum to make it look like it worked? That's what you're buying. I'm not wrong, everyone else is. Why are you buying a company that is literally having its engines catch fire, dude? Just buy weed stocks like a normal, well-adjusted regard. Try instant scratchers. Same odds, but you can buy a 7-Eleven hot dog while you're there. Bro, you bought Nikola, a known scam. Are you regard? The thing you're doing wrong is buying NKLA. It's always important to check out how a company uses its money before donating your own to them. Live and learn though. No judgment here. I've wrecked my accounts in plenty of creative ways. Only morons buy NKLA. Holy shit. NKLA is still listed? Thought it was a pink sheet already. You can't complain if you're buying scam companies. Dante, hate the game, hate the player. Encla? Isn't that the one car company that committed fraud? Tears of joy. If you're going to invest into such a shitty company, you really only have yourself to blame. You shouldn't invest in the stock market. You didn't have the common sense to practice any remote DD. Last night was absolute rock bottom. The only thing Gursky could have said to make the outlook any worse was that they were shutting down their BEV entirely, they already ceased production. Or that they were canceling the FCEV still in production. Everything else about this company is looking bad. That's why everyone and their mother was selling, and today my position is up 39.24. NKLA is backed by the Mormon Church. I bet it will see $100 before it sees $0. Looks about 0.15c profit on average. Doesn't appear to be volatile enough for me. Also, why are you not setting exit plans? I use Fidelity and I can have it set to sell at whatever limit I choose and it will close it out. For me. You bought NKLA without any research into why it is a shitty company that will go bankrupt in the next few years. I'm not saying you deserved it, but you at least had it coming to ya. Don't be greedy. Have patience and realistic expectations. Read some books on proper investing, and you'll be fine. Encla is trash, so it's never cheap. After today, just buy SPY calls and print money. How is anyone doing anything else here? What you're doing wrong is that you have no idea what you're doing, so your opinion about it being cheap changed in a week? 0 DTE is the only way. That something has dropped massively in price doesn't necessarily make it cheap. There is always 100 to 0. The first decision you have to make is whether you are an investor or a trader. Different approach, tools, strategies. And focus. Lol, you shoulda seen that coming tbh. Trash company. You're gambling, not investing. Go to Vegas with a pile of money and see what you come home with. Day trading is a sucker's game. Learn this, and you'll become a winner over time. Just buy low, sell high. Lol, IMG emote T52TH 52 4275. Yes, I know I'm doing something wrong. What do you mean, op? Everything you are describing sounds like you know how to lose money professionally. IMG emote T5. 2TH 52 4275. Can you post screenshot of all you plan to buy and sell for education purpose, since you might be Jim Cramer apprentice? Why are we posting about buying and selling garbage stock in WSB? This isn't our stocks. Come back when you put on your big boy panties and swing some short expiration options. Don't just do something, sit there. You are not investing, you are gambling. Pigs get slaughtered. Stop trying to time. Honestly, it seems like the only way to win is to do a Warren Buffett and just buy a bunch of shit and literally hold onto it for decades while buying more and more shit. You can make money in the short term, but it's kind of more of a casino scenario if you're going that route. But if you look at stocks from 20 years ago, most of them are up like 801,000 since then or more. Sucks to suck. I love the stock market. I can look like and feel like an idiot for years while doubting myself every day. But as long as I continue to do what I am best at, nothing, I eventually get lucky. Congruence. The market is alive because of people like you. We thank you for your panic decisions. Read a book. Regard. It's not the stock market's fault you bought stock in a company that reversed a video of a car going downhill to demonstrate their EV capabilities. How about Canopy growth? I watched it crater over past year from 3.00 to 0.40. The media coverage was nothing but bankruptcy, crazy debt and dilution. Literally the day after I gave up and sold, it skyrockets 300 and all the media coverage is about another bullshit legalization push. Fuck it, I'm over speculating. Middle finger. Don't hate the stock market because you're an idiot and went long on NKLA. If you post this in their sub, you get banned. That's a penny stock for you. I played better for a couple days. Random pumps of like 7-8%. Lol. Lol, you're investing in companies priced around $1. When a stock is priced this low, it's a shit company. I am so sorry to tell you. If the shares are $1, it's fighting to survive. Thinking you can just buy into some shitter and it, one, won't be volatile, or two, will make you money. Just because price cheap is really piss poor strategy. Set a stop loss and stick to it. You may lose, but you'll live to trade another day. It's WSB. Dollar NCLA is a shitshow right now. I bought long ass $2 leaps because they are dirt fucking cheap. I too have slept with Obama while on a 15-day crack binge 30 years ago. I made $3K off NCLA in 2020. Tears of joy. You bought into a scam. You regard. What did you think was going to happen? You should hate the stock market cause you're willingly throwing away money. You're fucking stupid. I'm pretty salty about TSLA. Got assigned at 265. Made some money in the premium selling calls. Stock eats shit for 3 weeks and then miraculously rebound to $275. You should have waited until Q3 earnings.